Welcome friends, this is another tutorial in the series of DHTML. In this tutorial we will learn how to achieve visual effects using DHTML. So in this tutorial our aim is to perform image rollovers. In image rollover, when you hover your mouse onto the image changes, and in place of the earlier image, in place of the previous image, a brand new image is displayed. When you put your mouse out of that image, the original image is displayed again. So let us jump into the script. So this is the web page which performs image rollover. So there are two functions inside JavaScript. First is mouse hover, the other is mouse outer. When we first look at the image, it is given the ID of image. When we hover the mouse on the image, mouse hover function is called. Inside the body of mouse hover function, we are getting the reference of that image using document.getElementById method, and then changing the source of the image to our new image. So it changes the image when we hover our mouse on the image. Next, when we put our mouse out of that image, mouse outer function is called. So inside the body of mouse out function, we use document.getElementById method and change the source to the previous image. So the image gets changed and the source is set to the previous image. So this is how rollovers are achieved. Then save the file and preview it in a browser. So it looks like this. When we hover our mouse, the image changes, and we put our mouse out of that image, the image also changes, thus giving the effect of an image rollover. So this was about achieving visual effects using DHTML. Thank you.